Thing that makes you sound intelligent.
Well, this thing is a bloomer. It's makeshift blast furnace, kind of. We caught it on fire. So now it's going to melt metal. Science. Sprayed him with boiling water.
Maybe someone...
It's still hot in the middle.
I made these.
Cool.
Yeah, I know.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
It was...
I'm having a hard time pulling it up. That's not gonna fit.
Oh, it's dripping metal.
Finish.
Over here.
No,
You just...
the trick is, you gotta open it inside the tube.
I feel a little... You want to...
Should I?
No, I'm not gonna punch it with that. Hit it with the hammer.
That's like really hard.
Yeah. Hit it.
Oh wow. It's like hitting clay.
Really?
Yeah.
Hit this piece off.
You can tell by its color, it's like super hot. Be careful, right?
Get him away.
Is that like the moon thing where your guy hammered?
Pick it up.
Stuff?
Yeah. We're gonna have to take that back and put that in for
Look what I just got.
Cool, you got a door.
Break
Are you
it.
gonna crunch that?
I'm gonna throw it back.
Levi, you might want to stand back. Can you watch from the slide?
That is burning hot right there. Why are you touching it? Because I can't feel it if I'm touching wood. And now it's good. That's scale from when the oxide forms around the outside of the pipe. It's cool.
It's like dragon.
Hey, look. I'm gonna need to like zoom out a bit.
Your anvil.
What's up with sticking out your tongue? Okay, whatever.
It's not looking like anything's coming out.
We're killing the air and we're going to remove the bloom.
We all?
So now that
Neil, don't get in the way.
now that there's no more slag to be removed and it's all solid to a point, we're gonna turn off the air and remove the bloom. If you look in here, you can see where we've melted the sides of the bloom.
And that is dangerous.
Wait.
Come check it out from this side. Look right there. Oh, come on. See right there?
Like, it's hard for the camera to see it.
Alright, let's knock this baby over.
Baby!
You think we should let it burn down a little more? Or
This is off.
Let's remove it flaming.
alright.
Okay.
Try to break it outwards.
Hey, take the vacuum away, Mia. That's awesome.
I'm gonna get.
That's warm.
Yeah.
Now we need the thing to.
It just burned through your coal bag.
No. Oh well.
Well, it
Here,
did.
come over here and check out all this glass.
Pull
that you
through.
have. Oh, it's melting
Wow.
my shoes.
Oh, that's some